AB and CD are parallel. Find the size of angle X. Give a reason for each stage of your working. Now, we need to find this angle up here that's labelled as X. With these angles questions, it's unlikely you'll be able to find the one you want straight away. You're probably going to have to find some other ones first. So I'm going to start off by finding this angle here, the angle EFG. And I know that I can find that because it's in a triangle. It's in the triangle FEG, and I know angles in a triangle sum to 180. So what I'm going to do is start off by adding together the two angles we know in this triangle, which are 48 and 35. 8 add 5 is equal to 13. 4 add 3 is 7, plus the extra 1 is 8. So at the moment they add to 83, and I know that angles in a triangle have to add to 180. So I'm then going to do 180 subtract 83. I can't do 0 take away 3, so I'm going to make that one 7 and pass it down here. I've then got 10 take away 3, which is 7. I can't do 7 take away 8, so I'm going to borrow from there and make it 17 take away 8, which gives me 9. So I now know that this angle up here is 97 degrees. But my question specified that I need to give a reason for each stage of my working. So I'm going to write under here, angle EFG is equal to 97 degrees. And my reason there is because angles in a triangle sum to 180. Next, I'm going to find this angle here, the angle EFA or AFE. And the reason I can find that one is because this line here and this line here are parallel. And if I can create a C shape with my parallel lines, like I can here, then the angles inside that C shape sum to 180. Now this is called co-interior angles. So what I'm going to do is 180 subtract 120. That is going to give me 60 degrees. So this angle here is 60 degrees, and I'm going to write out my reason. So angle AFE equals 60 degrees, and my reason is because co-interior angles sum to 180. Now the final thing I need to do to find my angle X is subtract 60 and 97 from 180. The reason I'm doing that is because I've got a straight line here, and the angles on a straight line always sum to 180. So I'm going to start off by adding 97 and 60. That is going to give me 157. And now I'm going to do 180 subtract 157. I can't do 0 take away 7, so I make it 10 take away 7, which is 3, 7 take away 5 is 2, 1 take away 1 is 0. And so I then get my answer, the angle X equals 23 degrees. And my reason this time is because angles on a straight line sum to 180 degrees.